Hi guys, so I have a really small haul here. I was debating if I was going to even share it, but I said why not. And I went to Hobby Lobby looking for the new Happy Planner stickers, and sometimes there are at Joann's. They used to be at Michael's all the time, but either Joann's or Hobby Lobby. You never know when they put them out, and I think they did. And so I rode way out there and they didn't have it. I even called, but I didn't know exactly which ones I wanted. Things that I wanted, but they did not have like some of the pictures on sale this week. It seemed like everything that I did want, it wasn't on sale this week. So I said I'd just wait and come back. So this is what I picked up. I picked up this welcome to our home, the Wi-Fi password, which I thought was super cute. And the tabletop decor was 50% off. So this was $8.99 and I got it for $4.49, which was super cute because somebody's always coming over our house and asking what is the Wi-Fi password. So there it is. And then I saw this as I was going out of the store. Work hard so you can shop harder. And that's like gold. It's probably not picking that up. And I thought that was like super cute. So I picked this up. And then I don't believe these were on sale. So Josiah and I had to go to the restroom. And this was in the back because I wouldn't even seen it. And I'm working on a little desk station or a workplace area for Jason right now. And so I thought this would be really cute to go in his little office area. So this is $3.99. And it's just a plain dry erase board. I want it to be plain. And then I also picked up some of these cork towels. These were for $4.99. And I got these for 50% off. No, 40% off with the coupon. Yeah, so this was $2.99. This was $3.99. And then this sign here, which will go in my mom cave, was $3.49. Because it was originally like $6.99. So I only paid $16. I would have spent more than that if I got the sticker stuff. Because I was trying not to buy it from the shop because it's only 20% off when you can get it at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. Okay guys, so I went to Michael's and I was looking for some organization for Jason's little work area that I'm trying to revamp for him. And I knew he needed some bins. And so I picked up two of these. These were the last ones. They have like a little lighter gray. But these have like a chalkboard finish on both sides. I guess if he can write something, but he probably won't. And these were 50% off with an additional 25% off. So I only paid $11.25 for these, and they have them in another different shade of gray, but sizes. And I got the last one in this gray. And then I was trying to get something to go on top of my refrigerator, which I do have something, but I saw this lantern and they were 50% off. And so it was $40. So it was $20 with an additional 25% off. I have the most lanterns, but I thought this one was really cute. Really cute. And let's see. I also picked this up and I wanted something to go above my bar area where I have my little scale clock that I moved from the corner. And I saw this little milk jug. It was in the galvanized tin and it was also in like this sage green enamel like this. So somebody must have was hiding this, or it looked like they were hiding it. And it was 50% off as well, which it would have been $7, which additional 25% off, so it was like $5 and something. And then I saw these little sprigs, and on the end caps they were $2, and then 50% plus an additional 25%, they were 75 cents. So I should have picked up one more in like the greenery, just the plain greenery. But it's kind of, I have so many flowers, I was determined not to pick up any and look and see what I have, work with what I got, and then if I still need something then I'll go back. But that is a great time to get your floral when it's like that 50%, 40% plus an additional 25% off. And it's kind of low in the bucket, so what I would do, put some floral foam down in here, or either just like some tissue paper to give it some height. And then lastly, guys, I'm still debating on this. This was the last one that they had, and I wanted to put this on top of my refrigerator as well with that lantern here. And I thought this would be so cute with like some flowers cascading out of it, put on top of my fridge. And so this was, excuse you, you being really rude, dude. $30. Half of that was $15 and then an additional 25% off, so it was $11.25 for this big size basket. And I probably will have to put like some filler on the bottom so I won't have to put so many flowers in it, and I have a ton of flowers upstairs. And then I can switch it out depending on the holiday. So guys, that's all I picked up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.